Hi guys, I did another Etsy purchase. This is from, I think it's Madre Ganza. It's a curiosity shop of inspiration. And this is a 101 inspiration pack for Raggedy Ann. And I would be doing some Raggedy Ann journals, and I saw it, and I thought, okay, I'm going to try it. She has inspiration packs for just about everything you think of in her shop. Sorry guys. I mean, she's got like 46 pages in her Etsy shop of everything you would think of. So I'm going to pull these little pieces out first. Most of them I can get out. There's a whole lot of paper clips and buttons in here. And, you know, that's accounted in your 101 items. So let's see what's in here. Oh, that's cute. That's adorable. And this is a book page. Another book page. Not sure which book this came from, but a lot of book pages in here. Neat cutting, very neat cutting. Well, I might not have to cut up any of my books for a while. Yeah, I don't know what book that came from either, but some checked papers. Oh, how adorable. Wouldn't that make a great cover? That is so cool. And more checked papers. These are cool papers. Oh, some nice strips here. These are cardstock. Oh, a Raggedy Ann cord and a Raggedy Andy cord. How cute are they? Already, I will say, even with all this little filler over here, for the price, I'm very happy with it. Oh, look at that. Nice pictures. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I tell I like Raggedy Ann. Oh, look at that. How cute. Wow. So adorable. My mind's racing as I'm looking at the things I can make with it. Oh, you got to be kidding. Look at this. Look at this. How stinking adorable are they? They're little pins, but aren't they cute? Wow. Oh, it's Andy. Photo card. Ooh, I like that. That's one to make me sorry. Oh. I mean, there's the inside covers for tons of journals here. Oh, playing card. Oh. Goodbye until next time. That'd be cute on the back page of a journal. So cute. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I'm happy with my purchase. I would recommend you, if you're looking for inspiration for a journal, to check out her shop, because, like I said, she has 46 pages in her shop. So she has everything you think of. There's another playing card. Another picture. Great pictures, great colors. This is so cute. And then the two little red hearts. Uh-oh. Well, one now, because I stuck this into the wrapper. So yeah, for the price, you can't beat it. I mean, it wasn't very much. I can't remember what I paid for it, but it wasn't expensive. And like I said, she has 46 pages of things in her shop. So she's got to have something you're looking for. So check her out. Before I post the video, I'll go and get her link and put it in the description box below. But yeah, you know, she's got a lot of stuff, and I'm happy with it. I'll probably be buying from her again if I'm planning to make a journal, because like I said, there is a lot of things here for a themed journal that I can make several journals out of it. So I highly recommend it. So, you know, I'm probably butchering the heck out of her name, so I'm just going to put the link down below. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. And I'm going to be starting a journal probably on video pretty soon. It's just so hard to get a time now to go live, because everybody and their brother's popping up every day now going live. So I'll probably be doing them on videos, okay? See you soon. Bye-bye.